Hi, I'm Murdo from Resene. This is Paint Like a Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to paint architraves. Clean your architraves with Resene Interior Paintwork Cleaner. When they're dry, thoroughly sand them to remove the gloss and give them a dust off. A good trick is to tape round your architraves and put a line of PAL zero gaps down the side. Wipe it well with a damp cloth, and now you've got a great seal to stop any bleed through from your paint. Apply a coat of Resene Quick Dry primer to the whole architrave. When that's dry, fill any holes with Resene EzyFill Quick. Sand them smooth and give them a dust off. Then spot prime with Resene Quick Dry. Now you're ready for one last sand before you put your 2 coats of Resene enamel paint on. When I paint architraves, I start from the middle and work my way out. When you get to your door frames, remember they're long pieces of timber, so you want long flowing brushstrokes. Once it's dry, remove your masking tape and pat yourself on the back.